Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 3rd November. And first of all, national news. PM Modi handed over keys to over 3,000 new homes for poor in Delhi. CBSE launched Reading Challenge for classes 6 to 10 students to promote reading literacy. CBSE has started the registration process for Aryabhat Ganit Challenge 2022. In Gujarat bridge tragedy, the documents showed 10 lapses listed in court. No one has guts. Junior defense ministers replied to China question. Delhi's air quality improves marginally. Curbs under grips. Stage 4, not likely for now. India delegation spoke on mental health at the Grand Challenges annual meeting 2022. Invest in public good. Dr. Ulak Demirag said from IFAD on achieving food security in India. Will leave no stone unturned, Himachal Chief Minister said before polls. Finance Minister to launch 6th round of coal mines auction today. Meghalaya Chief Minister found a silver lining in Chopper's precautionary landing. SEWA founder and Padma Bhushan recipient Ela Bhatt died at 89. Psychological test must for admission in Uttarakhand's Medical College. IIT Madras Farmers NGO developed cost-effective agricultural transportation system to aid farmers. And now some international news. China denied having police stations set up in Netherlands amid probe. Russia to hand evidence of UK's role in Crimea naval strikes to INVO. Russia's blackmail over grain deal failed, Ukraine said. No indication of Russia readying nuclear weapons, US. UK sanctions 4 Russian business owner amid Ukraine war. Ukraine grain shipment resume as Russia rejoined deal. Rishi Sunak's first big U-turn after taking charge as UK PM. North Korea fired 23 missiles, one lands near South Korean coast for first time. Microsoft chief warned of talent crunch for tackling climate change. China will support Pakistan in stabilizing its financial situation, Xi Jinping. 50 United Nations members condemned China's operation of Vegas. It will cost $8. Keep complaining. Elon Musk on blue tick fee backlash. NASA released picture of waxing crescent moon but colorful atmosphere steal the show. Now news related to sports. Novak Djokovic hit ground running in Paris. WTA finals. Iga Swiatek cruise to win over Daria Kasatkina. Para Badminton World Championships debutants Nitya Shree, Manisha Ramadas record easy wins on day 1. Virat Kohli broke Sri Lanka stars huge T20 World Cup record. India vs Bangladesh T20 World Cup 2022. India prevailed over Bangladesh by 5 runs in rain-curtailed match. News related to business. Sensex falls over 200 points to close below the 61,000 level. Rupee fall to 82.78 per dollar from 82.70 ahead of Fed's policy guidance. Rupee's movement post-Ukraine war, more about resilience rather than weakness, RBI governor. Avoided tightening rates earlier to prevent complete downward turn, RBI governor. Look at weakening of rupee sense emotions, RBI governor. Retail e-rupee trials will start in November itself, RBI governor. SEBI categorizes dues worth rupees 67,228 crore as difficult to recover. And big milestone, Maruti Suzuki India crossed 2.5 crore production mark. Center hike price of ethanol used for blending in petrol. And our news related to science and technology. Time to say goodbye to NASA's InSight Mars lander. Blue whales found to swallow 10 million microplastic pieces daily. SpaceX launched first Falcon heavy mission since 2019 from Florida. And let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 3rd November in New Delhi will reach to 32 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 19 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.